Mother's Golden Birds by Dany Acosta. Once a foreigner, O Queen of Nations, her precious lamentations, sunrise inspiration, dawn's golden bells, rings blossom's feast, sparkling golden mist, engulf mountain streams. Golden birds sing, fluttering radiance. Her haven gleams, bejeweled eloquence. Golden dewed bronze cascade her shoulders. Exulting bridges life's luster. Her princess once bounced on her knees. Now they prance delightfully, weaving virgin valleys. She sang to the Lord young faithful songs. Now they sweetly worship along. Her eyelids are golden bows, gracefully pulled in victory. Humble honey sighs, tears glisten her victories. Her eyelashes glide, golden clouds of fairest arrows, cast from heaven's heights, compassionate meadows. Erupting worship, victorious trumpets thunder, rejoicing amidst golden birds and mother.